So there's no places to eat. So I'll go hungry until end of the day. So I'll come all this way, right? Parang state. So Kuantan. The intercity bus stops 7 kilometers away from Kuantan. What a joke. No public buses linking the intercity train station to Kuantan, or you have to take a taxi which costs you 20 ringgit to get there, but it only cost me 20 ringgit to get here, 250 kilometers on the intercity bus. But the taxi man wants to do 20 ringgit from here to the city center. I'm not going to be a fool for that nonsense. Instead, I'd rather starve in Malaysia. There you go, tiger. Rapid Kuantan bus. Rapid bus. Where is that going? Look, if we were to... Everything is QR code. How the hell humans to get around when you switch the internet off? Are we fooled? Are we fooled by the stupidity of our internet? Somebody who doesn't use one like me, no data, no apps, no maps. If I had the time, I would walk to the city center and show you the plastic mess. Everything is packaged. Everything is disposable on the streets. When you arrive at the land borders, a big notice, cigarette packets, big notices saying, do not litter. What a shame. What a shame. We have the great model of so-called Western focus in everybody's mind. We somehow managed to destroy the planet. Look at all this. Everywhere. Plastic bottles. Plastic bottles and plastic. Right, I'm not eating plastic food. I'd rather go hungry. Yes. It's 32 degrees, folks. The land is completely abused. Prawn farming. This is the primal forest of this part of the... When I was here 40 years ago, the road was just a one lane, not even paved. Today is a 2 lane. Anyway, we're making sure the next generation of children on this planet doesn't get to live healthy, doesn't get to live well, and our nonsense, they will pay the ultimate price in human existence on Earth. You have to come after 40 years to realize in the last 30 or 20 years what the industries have done. Suzuki to Isuzu to Mercedes to Toyota, Hino, all those heavy industries and luxury industries have got factories out here. Auto school, engineering, all sorts, all the way along here. I might as well sit on the gully, because that's where the world and humans are going to end up, in the gutters. We're paying a price already. The Spain is drowning. Many parts of the American states are sinking.